So the actual supplies and the technology that are required will be different for every company. It'll be different, potentially per business function. But what we mean here is what are the resources, what are the computers, what are the software, what are the human resources that are needed. And human resources is one of the most commonly overlooked resource when teams are putting together these plans. That's because they're so focused on usually something hardware, the network or the servers or the facility, or and what's forgotten about is, oh yeah, we need people like to run this stuff. So that's commonly left out of the plan or not given enough importance. So we need to look at do we need transport? How do we transport the people and the equipment? The data, how are we protecting and recovering our data? What type of forms and cabling and documentation? There's a whole list, and when the team actually identified their critical function, they had to identify the resources, but then there's a lot of smaller things which would be considered supplies that are easily forgotten about, and companies experience that when they go through a disaster. They forgot about this, that, another thing, and that usually delays coming back up in line, or it costs more money because you have to go and buy whatever it is you forgot.